Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one way Great Dane, back with day 475 Star Drop opening, and it would appear that Brawl Stars has dropped a second free hypercharge Star Drop just out of nowhere, and this isn't the one from the Brawl Stars esports event coming up, which will also give us a free hypercharge Star Drop. So again, I got this from a QR code in Ray Brawl Stars video, but you guys best believe if it works, I'm just going to put the link in the comments section so you guys can just claim it without even having to scan the code. And again, I just make sure to claim it as soon as you see this video, because I have no idea if there's going to be some limited window of time with which you can claim it. I'm guessing there is going to be, so I definitely claim it as soon as possible. But again, we have double star drops, but this also just see if this works. Alright.
Mythic!
Starting with the Mythic. 200 power points. Also, again, if it's not clear, every time you claim something, if you have star drops first, it gives you the star drops. So I have to claim my 6 star drops first.
Epic!
And epic. Okay, 200 coins.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points.
Rare.
Rare. 25 power points.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 coins.
Rare.
Okay, more power points there than I'd like, but at least we got some coins. Oh my god, okay, this is actually real, apparently, again. If you guys are seeing it in the title of the video, obviously it's real at this point, but this is so out of nowhere. Apparently we're getting 3 free hypercharges. Again, we got 1 from the event, 1 just randomly dropped from the Brawl Stars HQ apparently, and then again make sure to tune in for the Brawl Stars esports coming up November 1st to 3rd for getting the 3rd one. You are going to have to watch and make predictions if you want to get the points for that, but anyway, let's just see what I got. Hopefully it's a good one. Well, I mean, this one can be pretty good, I guess. At the very least, it's additional damage, I suppose. Again, I can't complain. It's a free hypercharge, and in fact, something I've been noticing playing ranked more is it's been a shame having to be the guy that picks one of the brawlers. And yes, you can still swap out, but it very rarely happens, picking one of the better brawlers for the map. But I just don't have the hypercharge for them yet because I refuse to spend coins on something that would eventually end up giving you 1,000 coins if you have them all. It's just such a waste of currency. Right? So again, hypercharges I'd say are the most valuable thing you can get in the game right now. Even if it is just a small stats buff, some are definitely better than others if we're being honest here. But again, I will leave the link to that in the comment section for you guys to claim. I can't believe that they just randomly gave another one out on top of the other free rewards we have going on here. It's just amazing. But anyway, again, we still have roughly 2 days left on the Gruesome Gus Challenge, so make sure to get that done if you guys haven't yet. A whole 30 star drops and a skin if you can make it to the end. Again, and there is buy-ins. I believe it's 9 gems each time. I don't know if it goes up because I didn't spend more than 9 gems. But there's at least 5 more buy-ins, so there's a very good chance if you play moderately well that you can get to the end here. Again, obviously you're going to want a dedicated team comp if you're really planning to do well. I managed to do it with randoms with only using a 9 gem buy-in, where I bought 30 gems for half off. Somehow I glitched the system. It's supposed to cost $2, it only cost 95 cents. I have no idea why that happened. Again, I had the emails as proof, but I'm not going to show that here, and I'm sure you guys will just take my word for it anyway. But in the mode selection, we also have Zombie Plunder Side Door. Oh man, I think again, it's very fuzzy in my memories, but Strong Side I do remember. I do remember Volleyball's Strong Side. Again, some of the maps, it's just been so long, and I think I'll probably end up playing each mode, at least one of the modes to win 5 times tomorrow, because, again, a reminder, we're running out of time on the quests here, and you want to make sure that you play at least one of the modes tomorrow. See, now I need to figure out which one is going to swap out, though. That's the question. Because it's every other one. So I need to make sure I play the right one, or I just play both. That's probably the better bet. It just depends on how much time I have tomorrow, I guess. But definitely make sure to try and play the modes tomorrow if you haven't gotten your free additional star drops yet, because it'd be a shame to just miss out on those. Plus, we haven't had these modes in a long time, right? And it could be fun if you guys enjoyed them, or if you've never tried them before, maybe you would enjoy them. You don't know. We also have Knockout 5v5 Crispy Crypts. Again, just memories from the SpongeBob event. Also, with everything going on and it being the Halloween season, how have they not changed the profile icon from the SpongeBob event? It's still the same one. I guess they only change it every cycle of 2 seasons here, right? Now that they do it monthly instead. But anyway, let's have a look at what we got going on in the shop here. We have Headless Stew. I don't think that one was there before, just based on the timeline being a whole week instead of 4 days. Looks like they just added that one in there. Again, 50% off on an Epic, but you guys gotta remember, and I'll check the catalog here just to verify, it's likely that you can't get this one out of a star drop for free or purchase with bling. Shoot, this is Rico. I'm looking for Stew. Both the robots with one eye, right? Yeah, so I'm not seeing Headless Stew in here. So again, I don't know what compels them to make it so that you can't get the seasonal skins out of season. I guess that's what's supposed to make them more special. But again, really any of these skins, if you have enough gems, would probably be a pretty valuable purchase to you guys. I'm not right now just because I don't have that kind of currency flow, but again, any of these could probably be a good offer if they're one of the ones that are at a discount and you enjoy it. You really should just go with getting one that you enjoy. I'd probably hold out on Vamprimo just because it's new. Even if it is a really low gem price, you still, even if you're willing to wait till next Halloween, could potentially get him at a discount. And actually, let me just, again, check the catalog. I don't know if I did yet. Okay, yeah, so it is considered seasonal, so you probably won't be able to get it outside of the Halloween event going on. But again, I'd still wait on it at the very least, because who wants to pay full gem price for a skin, right? Anyway, I have a daily freebie of 5 credits, as well as 10 power points. A lot of power points today, don't really need them. Again, hopefully there's some interesting conversion or something they come up with in the future. I'm getting rather close to hitting that 100,000 power points milestone here, and again, I'm honestly just interested to see if, because the numbers are already pretty much filling up the box, I feel like it's going to start overflowing, and I don't even want to think about hitting a million power points. Again, they're definitely going to make a fix before that happens though, so again, it's been what, how long have we had uncapped power points? It's been at least a few seasons, maybe half a year, right? So it'd take literal years probably to get up to 1 million power points, even if you stopped using them for upgrades. So yeah, again, let me know if you guys get anything good out of your second additional hypercharge by using the link in the comment section. But as of today, I have 740 XP doublers and 99,371 power points. And again, if you find this free hypercharge unexpected, so did I, but I definitely can't complain about it. Again, let me know what you guys are actually looking for out of the hypercharges, because again, just having them or getting more of them is good enough for me. I obviously will admit that some of them are better than others, but just having the raw stats boosts is pretty good regardless. And I do know that they ended up changing it so that some brawlers have different stat boosts, and that's a whole other conversation though. But other than that, let me know if you guys plan on purchasing any of the skins in the shop, or if there's any ones that you'd prefer to get but don't have the gems, and maybe tell me why you like them. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.